Racing just is started. We have Moralia. Break quickly at the start. Flow join Arizona side. Sangang daan is down on the inside. Roadmaster stay at home. Ma'am comes next. Reward for effort. Sulong Pinoy. Then next online is New Dawn. Love with Class. While Babes Magic is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Roadmaster. Flow joiner in second. And in third comes Moralia. Sangang daan is racing in fourth. Stay at home man comes next. Moving up is Reward for effort. Running by the rail now is Sulong Pinoy. Babes Magic, Love with Class, while New Dawn now racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Flo Joyner maintaining a 2 lengths lead. And in second is Moralia. Sangang daan in the middle portion. Down on the inside is Roadmaster. Sulong Pinoy is racing in fifth. Babes Magic, Reward for effort, stay at home mama. Then next online is Love with Glass, while New Dawn is still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Flo Joyner, Sulong Pinoy now moving up to take second as they swing for home. We have Flo Joyner by our length. Sulong Pinoy moving up on the outside, and I was saying it's my turn to take the lead. We have Sulong Pinoy by our length and a half, followed by Flo Joyner, and finally it's Sulong Pinoy. Flo Joyner third, Babes Magic, Moralia close with Love with Glass, New Dawn follows number 6.
Medyo hindi pa maganda